guys, my name is Dida and welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, I've asked you on Instagram if you wanted to see a tutorial on KKW X Mario palette. Okay, let me just fix, yes, maybe here. Here it is. Jump to the video. So guys, honestly I didn't planify to buy it because I'm not that impressed by KKW eyeshadow palette, but maybe by the formula. There was an offer on her website, that's why I was able to take the palette because it was cheaper. So yeah, and let's talk about it. So the packaging, as usually, is really like it sounds luxurious and really pure, natural, you know, like, how can I say? I really like this packaging, to be honest with you. I like this, it's really soft and I really like how it is. It's really like, I don't think that the name is pure. I mean, it's clean packaging, you know, not so there's no fantasy, and I like it. I really like it. Behind you have like a ticket with all the names of the shade. The ticket is not as how can I say, it's not in the center. I don't know why. Anyway, but I really like it because it's really soft, okay? And here is the palette. I think it's the only palette with so many not natural eyeshadows, because all other palettes are like really more in the natural side, you know. So yeah, why not? I really was intrigued by the formula. I've tried Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and the formula was amazing. So I want to try this one. So let's do some swatches, guys. Maybe on this color here. This is, the name is Libra. Oh, it's creamy. It's creamy and it's pigmented. And maybe another one, another swatch on I think the Vegas. Vegas is this one here, like a little bit more burgundy and purple in the same time. It's pigmented, let's be honest, and I really like it. I like it. Let's see now how it will be on my eyes, because you know me, for those who are new, thank you for subscribing, watching my videos, please, it will help me so much. And for those who are loyal, I'm so blessed to get you in my life. I want to be honest with you, the formula is amazing, but I don't really believe in swatches, guys. I prefer test it directly on my eyes because it depends, honestly. So let's do it. I already done my eyebrows, and I've already primed my eyelid, and honestly I don't know which kind of eye look I can come with. I know that everyone tried the blue one because she did it for her campaign. Why not? I don't know. Let's just start, okay? My favorite brush by Colourpop. So first, maybe I will use this color. You have a big mirror in the same time, so this is really cute. This color here. The name is Miami. Yeah, Miami. Yeah, Miami. So let's go. It's not that powdery, a little bit. Yeah, it's powdery. It's pigmented. It's pigmented, guys. Here it is. It's really pigmented, easy to blend. Here it is. It's been a while I didn't try a Hello Eyes. Maybe I will do that. So I will go now with this color here. Sorry. Here. It's Libra. And I will just pack it. And lately, guys, I'm in love with this Luxie brush I got in my Boxy Charm. Really pigmented. Oh my god, it's really pigmented, guys. There's no fallout. I'm impressed. My MAC 217, just to blend. Like this, and I want to intensify a little bit the corner. I will go with the dark brown, this one here. The name is 2008. That's great. I mean, it's cute as name. And I will pick a small brush like this one. It's by BH Cosmetics. I really like this brush. It's really pigmented, but it's powdery. But as I told you, it doesn't disturb me at all. Like this, and since I don't want it to lose this warm color by Libra, I think, yeah, Libra, I will add a little bit, sorry, of Libra. Like this. Like this. Now the star of the show, of course, it's powdery. It's this baby boy here, the name, the blue one. It's Albanian. No. Yes, it's Albanian. Albanian is okay. Maybe it's not the right way. I'm learning this, but actually, it's written that Albanian. Okay, let's do it. I will do it with my finger. Really creamy and really pigmented, guys. Then I will pick a brush just to really fix everything together. Like this. I didn't wet my brush, to be honest, and it's really pigmented. I really like it. So let's do some mascara, and I will use the volumizing mascara by Colourpop BFF. Like this. And I will use this shade here, this color. The name is Loyalty. Yeah, Loyalty, to brighten my arc just here. It's really pigmented. Like this. Now I will finish my complexion and I'll be right back. Mwah. So guys, complexion is done. So now let's finish the under eye. Actually, it doesn't crease. Everything stay where it has to stay, and I'm so happy. So honestly, till now, I think it's $46. I think it's okay for those who like neutral palettes, something like that. I think they will enjoy it. So for my lower lashes, I will go with this shade here. I think it's Miami. I will go with the shade, the dark brown. The name is 2008, and I will pack it really as close as possible to my lower lashes. Like this. And I will use this fluffy brush with the shade Miami to blend it. Here it is. And I will use this shade here, Loyalty, in the inner corner, Teardrop. This shade is awesome. Like this. And here it is, guys. So guys, here is the tutorial. What do you think about this eye look? Do you like it? Here it is. Honestly, I really like it. Like, honestly, if it was the money, I think, yeah. Not the other palettes, this one, yeah, because it blends easily. It's pigmented. I mean, it's not that much powdery. It is, but not that much. I really like it. I mean, the other palette, I wasn't really inspired, so sorry, by those palettes. The other ones, I mean, because it's too much nude, and I think that it's her mood. Like, I'm talking about Kim Kardashian. It's her mood since she's married with Kanye West, but you know, we change, but here we really feel a makeup artist, like the touch of a makeup artist on it, like Mario. I'm talking about Mario, and congratulations. I really like this palette, guys. I know that I will play with this palette again because I like it. I feel like I can even take it with me on vacation, because there is 3 colors for every day. I mean, like there is colors, nude colors for everyday look, and there is colorful colors, I mean colorful shadows for yeah, for night, going out, something like that, and I really like it. So yeah, thank you so much guys for following me. Hope this video will help you to decide if you want to, don't know, take this palette or not. And yeah, please stay tuned, follow me, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and thank you so much for everything. Love you, peace, enjoy. Mwah.